Guys, I'm still in shock. I am still in shock. Because I can't comprehend by Nzigenja land. Okay, so I went to Bellville. Me and my son and my nephew. My nephew is 12 and my son is 8. So say Bellville, so tinga a pinif. I was going to look for a pinif. Mom be get teofuni pinif. So I didn't know where to buy it. So the only place that I know it has everything, it's Bellville. So I decided to take them there, and then we went. So Jongale Pinif. Okay, we went store to store and basing a condle, and Isn't store didn't have a size, then it's me basing a condle. Like I didn't like them. Okay, cool. So sikangele, and then see like singayifumani. So now we're at the point of going home because I was like, no man, I think we're tired because we've walked almost Ngela Bellville and we don't get what we're looking for. So I'm like, okay guys, must go to Kengogo. Like we'll maybe check online or I don't know. Okay, no problem. So now so as we were walking, kukhona masisi stand Bellville, right? And they're like, no, let's go check there. It's a skipper. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then we went to look as a skipper as a parent. So as we were approaching his stand, there's a guy. What's a Congo? There's a guy standing apha kule pathway indlela nje ncinci space esincinci umephala mfana. So on my right kukhona ndibambe umntanami, and then on my left ndibambe my nephew, yeah. As a straight come, like as a straight woman approach uphethe ubag black, and was the ones on the back, but he came close to me as if guys, I'm still in shock. So we also na lobaga, and he was saying something, but let me tell you, and bestin in German bonsa lobaga nje, and him jongi, like I'm literally I'm staring at him, I'm looking at him like what are you doing? Cool, asukela mfana. Okay, so proceed to get to his stand. So if you get back, it's strong again. By bekhangela, yo, she said this is nice. Then like behind us, there's like Moses shops. There's like a tuck shop or a mini shop. There's this guy. Then look, I ask ati, Sissy, please check if your pockets like close your pockets. I'm like, oh, okay, thank you. And I was wearing my work jacket. In the pockets, and then upper pocket, there's pockets. I had my iPhone. It has this thing. Yeah. So I wore it around me. And then I forgot to pocket in a pocket. And then Lenny phone, it didn't have this, ne? Then I forgot on the other side. Pocket in a pocket. You like I 9 damn, ne? No problem. Ati cheke cela ujonge ibhokodo uvale ibhokodo zakho. Ndithi xa nithi okay nansi iPhone ngapha. Mandithi on my left. Ati imkile phone. Imkile yes22 plus gone. Ndithi order miso iphi iphone. Athi misayika lokho sesibuyithathile ngoku othi beyicofe shop wathi izobiwe ifone wayithatha, and I was like yandiyithathile but ayikho ifone. Athi la mfana, did they take anything? Kim like ewe ifone ihambile. Athi kukudala bekujikeleza, kudala they were trying, kudala bezama. And I'm like ngeliphi ixesha ndilele yithi kabundana hey basolesi aphotheni machine bafazi masameni sinyuke ngendlela. Sithi xa sinyuka ngendlela there was a commotion. Andikwazi ngilady lo mama lo besijonga kuye ngwaSomali. So there was also another Somalian stand-up ecangwakhe and cause athi, sister, come back. And then there's a whole commotion going on. Sibuye umva nabantwana. Athi lo mama besijonga kuye athi, no, come, they're gonna give your phone back. Yabo abe shot ekukabafana. Then there's like 4 guys ngoko. One of the guys uphethe lo bhaka besiuboniswa. I don't know bayafana okanye, but uphethe lo bhaka besiuboniswa ngulo mfana. Athi, they know where your phone is. I shout say athi, give the phone. Abangati, no, I didn't. Athi, I know you have the phone. Athi, sister, follow this guy, he will give you your phone. Hey, London, dibabingane kane zawo pheceleni, dibabambisa abaqhawulile abantwana pheceleni. Silandela abafana bayi4. Athi lo mfana, no, I saw that guy. He took your phone and then he went that way. Dithula anandaba man ingqondo ilele guys yela lingqondo. Like I don't know noba ashwagandha or what is it, but I was like, now what? Sibalandela abafana bathi come, we're gonna find your phone. And then lo mama abe eshawutisa ke kube sexiza nabanye abantu ke babuza bona kwenzeka ntoni. Abe explain ukuthi bathathe iphone. Ke kuze I don't know bazi big bosses asebavo eza or what happened, but it was like a Nigerian guy, Somalian guy, like it was different people bemi phayana. Waphamana sana lamfana wase Nigeria what nizoyikhupha le phone. Nizoyikhupha izana la phone. What is it? Sit here. Well, there was like there was different people from different countries. Nigerian, Somalian, and Bazabany, but you could see that they're from different countries. They sit here, and now there's like a whole commotion, and abantu they're surrounding us. We are sitting kwesitulo khona isitulo bathi sit down ke mna no nzoma apha bathi sit sister ndachopha. And then bahamba njengoba beyi4 aba the Congolese beyi4 kuthiwe 1 makasheke, then le 3 bathi bayokhangela lo mfana gama lakhe ngusale gama lakhe bahambe gone kanje bayomkhangela. Sihla nabantwana ngokusihleliyo ke lo ushikileyo hayi mntaka usepanini bathi uzuza na iphone. Athi lo mfana wase Nigeria athi if awuyikhuphi le phone, if lo mfana uyithelefoni akabuyi nayo icase yakho ngizoyivula ngokwami, zokubambisa ngokwami. But ke bathi language but you can pick up wathi ngizoba yi-witness, ndizawuxela xa nezinye izinto. If I-attend ndiba yi-witness ndizawuxela ndizowubanjwa. Lafana ebile wabila guys, wabila wamanzi nte wabangafunga. Wathi there was a point athi thathani ifone yami nemali yami ndihambe ndomkhangela ngokwami, because I think bebethatha ixesha, it was like maybe 20 minutes okubemkile bengabuyi. Wathi la mfana 20 minutes is more than lower say Nigeria. 20 minutes is more than enough ba mabuyisa la phone. Wathatha ifone yami nemali equality wabe nestakes emali ngaka. Wathi la mfana nemali yakho nefone yakho doesn't amount to le phone lo mntana izana la phone. Wathi fonela la chuma kanti buthe awuna number kasale la mfana guys, awuna number kasale. So ithi bayomkhangela bamfonela wafona chiki hayi ke sana lephela ixesha. I think ngiza kupart 2. Okay, wafona ke ananoba ebethela nabani ke, because bathe ezi languages zabo wafona ndahlala lahamba ixesha. I think 30 minutes yaphela sichubele pha, and I'm like I need to be somewhere. Bathi lo wase Somalia wakhapha abafana bathathu ukuba kuyolanda lo mfana. Laphela ixesha nje ku-part 2 guys. Okay, masiqhubekeni ke ngo-part 2. So bavele ke abafana ne aba bayi-3 beyokhangela uSale. Sale ke ngulo mke nefoni yam ebenibonisa ubhaka. Bebekhatshwa masingla mfana wase-Somalia. So bathi gqike. Phofu lo usheki apha seke like uyakhala ukhala inyembezi, like he's crying, and the other guy is like, no, don't cry, just give the phone and we don't have problem. Uyalila, like bile umanzi, and he's literally like crying. Uyalila. Baze ke aba le foursome ize afike abuze lo Somalia athi esenithu ifona ke mna ke ewe akhube pokothweni anike athi yole ndilight ndibone i-screen saver mntana mntisi ewe yole phofu ize ke beyine pouch le phone, it had a pouch gone, pouch ayikho. Bathi checkisha sim card zakho, checkisha if sim card yakho ikhona, and then I checked both my sim cards were there bezikhona bezingakhutshwa ngokukhutshwa i-pouch. Bathatha ifone yakho, but sister, take your phone and go. Don't worry, no one's gonna do anything to you. You are safe. Yo, guys, it was like a movie. When I say a movie, I didn't even say one word. I don't know if it was a shock or everything just happened so fast. I was in disbelief. I don't know, but again, very grateful kumama Somalia. Oh, if it wasn't for her, if she didn't make a whole commotion, without my phone. So nathatha ifoni naqamba mandi yami ngibuyele phaka laba mandithenge as a sign of appreciation. Ndathenga ke sana guys ezoskipa no short ebe pirates ndathi insana zam masameni bo baby samba nabantwana bam. Yo, I don't know, it was my day, and then because if lamfana akangathi manchekisha pocket, I wouldn't have known. If la mama akange enze commotion, I wouldn't have gotten my phone. If la abafana, that group of men paya didn't threaten la abafana again, so it was a lot of people that actually played a part bamandi manebeki phone, and I did ending akange nivule mlomo, like I did nothing. I didn't say a word. The only thing I was saying was beben was ba ye phone, or like what type of a phone is it, and then that's the only thing I said was to tell them, oh, it was a S20 something. It just happened. It just happened. Yo, be safe at Belleville, guys. Be safe at Belleville. Oh, sanalam says opinion the bone. I'll see me no more. And so zendiphinde. But I got usale nangusale bethu. Dincame ndayiphika ndathi ngusale. Because whatever that was said, it was always sale. Yo. Thank you guys for listening, but be safe in Belleville. Yo guys, I never thought, not even a day ba inganehlela yehla okomqakisana. But I was lucky, I was fortunate ba manephi ndifumane back ifone yam.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.